Hey, sorry about that. Yeah, had a little trouble with my notebook. Yeah, we gotta talk about shoelaces. If you're a minimalist and you wanted some shoelaces, would you spend $200 on a new pair of shoes, or would you spend about $1 on some laces? I'm just wondering. I know he's probably got a whole closet full of shoes. Alright, so this is my opinion, so don't cut me up or anything else. I guess that's about it. Just want to make this a little quick video. I did make one on the grill a while ago, how to reset your grill after a low flame failure. When you turn your grill on and low flame comes, all you do is take the line loose from the propane for about a minute, put it back on, and your low flame would go to a high flame. You'll be a whole lot better once you reset that, like I just said. Take it loose from the bottle, wait a minute, put it back on, and boom, you got a high flame again. All right, thought I'd share that. I put it out a while ago, but it didn't end up nowhere. Okay. All right. Bye.